स्टार्टेड कि झुकने की कोशिश करोगे फिर भी नहीं हो पाएगा। सिंपल ये आपको सबको पता है कि हमने आते आते जब आप थक जाते हो तो उसके हाथ छोड़।
Here is the team of Black Peak. Lone Girl in Black Peak follows a solitary, adventurous journey through the rugged terrains of the Black Peak. Day 0. Journeying from Bangalore to Sangri.
So I'm traveling with Vistara Airlines today and it's 12 o'clock right now and I'll be reaching there by 3 o'clock.
I travelled to Dehradun a day early as our journey starts at 7 am in the next morning and stayed in this beautiful Airbnb home a night.
So basically I have decided to do this expedition last year when I was doing Gamuk Tapovan trekking. I started getting anxiety issues from the last 1 week because I'll be a lone girl in this trip and then I'll not have anyone whom I know from my past. So I posted this story in the morning. So I'm gonna start my journey towards Black Peak expedition and surprisingly there are a lot of friends and family members wishing me good luck and there are quite emotional messages even that they want me to come back home safe. And a very close friend of mine, I can say he's my family, he came all the way to drop me at the airport and he gave me this Surakshan Kavach. So it is given by his mom that she told that it has to be with her all the time. They're supposed to come and pick me up but looks like there is an issue and they asked me to come to Prince Shaw and it is 6 o'clock in the morning and I'll be reaching in 10 minutes.
It is around 200 kilometers, 8 hours tempo traveler journey from Dehradun to Sangri.
Rakha Mundana. Okay. क्या है इसका स्पेशलिटी?
स्पेशलिटी है यहाँ पे जब 5 पंडाओं को पानी नहीं मिल रहा था तब अर्जुन ने तीर मारा तब पानी निकल गया।
Locals here believe that when Pancha Pandavas couldn't find water, Arjun used his arrow to draw it forth. The journey here winds through pine trees with the soothing sound of the river. We reached to Sangri and found a beautiful place to stay for a night before starting our adventure.
It's a very long journey and it's 4:37 in the evening and we have reached to Sangri. And I was under impression that we will have network in Sangri and I have informed my family and friends that I'll be in communication till tomorrow morning before we leave for Black Peak expedition. But surprisingly there is zero network.
Later that evening, we went to nearby market to rent out important equipment. I rented a down jacket which cost me 500 rupees.
one relaxing thing that one of the person from our group has a network who is apparently using Jio, and we all were waiting that so once he share his hotspot for a while, I'll have to inform every person that there is no network and the communication will be stopped from now. Rohensara Lake, 43 kilometers, which is our secondary destination, and Swadhyavara. From here, and we will be coming to here, and here. Altitude 1950 meters and 6,400 feet. Hello, good morning from Sangri. I slept real good.
The tempo traveler will drop us at Taluka, where our hiking journey begins. We need to undergo forest permit checks here. It's a scenic 11 kilometers journey on a well-maintained roads, and the team is eagerly anticipating what lies ahead. Road construction is ahead, so we either wait for a clearance or a hike around 2 kilometers to Taluka. We decided to proceed. During day 1, you can see traditional villages such as Taluka, Datmir, Darkot, Ganghad and Seema along the road.
लकड़ी के घर इसलिए होते हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे नवंबर दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी मतलब पूरा बर्फ से ढका रहता।
ओके।
तो इसीलिए 3-4 महीने तो इसीलिए लकड़ी घर में गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए लकड़ी के घर यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर बनते हैं। सारे देखेंगे अब लकड़ी के घर है सारे।
Villagers offered to transport us in their vehicle up to Taluka.
Got a lift from someone. We all sat in the van and going for a while. We are getting massage sessions. I shifted my place here. Now we are on top. We are having fun. And they are here. Jail में.
गंगार
हाँ,
ये गंगार गाँव है
this is Ganghad village. Stopping for lunch here. This is the place for our lunch today. We finished our day 1. We have reached Seema.
After reaching Seema, we did cool down exercises to relax our bodies before returning to our accommodations. Women and children here work hard to gather wood for cooking while men often work outside the village to earn money. Altitude here is 2769 meters.
The first one which you are seeing there is Harkidun Peak, and the next one where the sunlight is going is Ata Peak.
If you go left side of the bridge, you can access Harkidun Trek. On the right hand side, you will find routes to Roinsara Lake, Bali Pass Trek and Black Peak. O'clock in the morning, we have started our day 2. We will be reaching to Roinsara Thal by evening. We are targeting that by 3 o'clock we should reach, and it is a 16 kilometers. Today is the longest day, featuring deep descents, tough ascents, numerous water streams and many beautiful green lands to cross.
Time is 8:56 now, and this is our second break. Is the toughest ascent. It's almost more than 500 meters. It's getting tougher. We have to keep taking breaks in it.
We are really tired after a continuous ascending and desperately need this break.
This place looks as if you are in Kashmir. Jannat. It is just heaven. My God, trust me, you don't know what I'm witnessing. The first glance of Black Peak is there, Kalanag. The shape of it is clearly visible, man. Ascending now, this particular patch of 1-2 kilometers will be completely descending. Lunch, 1 egg, pulao, apple, dairy milk or badam. Fruity also.
The green lands gradually give away as you begin to encounter and walk on the glaciers.
river stream, and the team is finding the way to go. Very tough, very tough. Finally, I have reached the campsite. It's 16 kilometers of trekking. I have never done in one single day, and most probably I have carried 15 kilos of weight on my back, and which is absolutely tough for me. And I started feeling pain from knees, my calf muscles, ankle, toes, and everything. I've given up, like maybe after 4 kilometers of the trek itself, I've given up completely. But the team, every single person from the team have supported me. I started feeling pain here and ankle downside, so I'm doing this cold bath therapy here. Water is extremely cold. How did you feel today? This is my team. He's Sushil and Deepak, Adil and Ramesh.
Hi.
How did you feel today? कैसा है आज?
जबरदस्त
जबरदस्त
जिंदाबाद।
जिंदा
ट्रैक थी जो हाइकिंग थी ये बहुत चैलेंजिंग थी
हाँ
और शुरुआत का जो स्टीप मिला था उससे थोड़ा हमें बूस्टअप मिला कि हाँ हम आगे कुछ कर सकते हैं। आगे 16 किलोमीटर फिर ज़्यादा लगा नहीं,
ओके
लंच तक तो सब कुछ बेहतर था।
We trekked for almost 9 hours continuously, and with our grit and determination, all of us could reach together, and that was, I think, the more important part.
Ruinsara Lake is a serene, scenic spot with a crystal clear waters nestled amidst the mountains. People often trek from Sangri to Ruinsara Lake.
This is our tent stay, and if you go this side, this is somebody else's tent stay. It is getting colder in the evening. It is damn cold. If today is like this, I don't know situation from tomorrow, because today is just normal thing. From tomorrow the actual cold starts. And for the first time, I'm staying all alone. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Very cold.
It has become our routine to wake up early, pack our bags, and head to the next destination.
We have started our day 3 trekking, and we will be leaving from Ruinsara Lake to the base camp.
These are mountain joughs or alpine joughs, are exclusively found in Himalayas and other high mountain regions.
Today is the day we can feel that oxygen levels are going down.
साइड ब्लैक पीक है। इस सेक्शन के पार, और इसके ठीक पीछे है स्वर्गारोहिणी की पीक्स, और इस वाले पहाड़ के पीछे बंदरपूछ 1 और 2, और फिर वो पीछे आ जाती है आपका यमुनोत्री बाली पास क्रॉस करके, और ये वाली सारी वर्जन है अभी तक।
Today's trek involves walking on a steep, rocky, rugged terrains, crossing rivers and streams, passing through meadows, and navigating around boulders. If you are lucky, like us, you might find companions like this dog we have named Bachu.
I'm feeling my head real heavy at this moment. Cherry on the cake, it's getting colder and colder. Yes, to the base camp.
We reached the base camp by evening, greeted by pleasant weather and a picturesque setting.
I'm feeling heavy head and I'm feeling damn sleepy. I also feel that I met throughout right away.
Pani Puri at 4100 meters at Karkoti base camp. Best stress reliever. Pani Puri.
We were in this dining tent and we heard a very huge sound like a bomb blast, and we came out running. We thought it was an avalanche from one of the peaks there. So we searched for a while, we couldn't feel it. Then we found something down here and it is right next to our campsite. Landslide happened. I stay in my tent alone, and it's 1:31 in the morning. I went for restroom and I saw the sky outside. Man, it is just breathtaking. This is my sleeping bag. Before I come in, what I do is whatever the important warmers are there, like gloves and everything, and all the power banks, electronic gadgets which can be discharged fast, along with the phone and GoPro, I keep inside the sleeping bag, and then I sleep off so that it will not get discharged. But
Mornings are serene, with warming sunlight painting the snow-capped mountains in a soft hues. Here, one can feel a sense of peace and awe-inspiring beauty. We believe mountains as a divine, a manifestation of Mother Nature. We worship our equipment and the mountains themselves, seeking safety and a favorable weather.
छोटे गुड़े से माता ने खाने जो माता ने बना जैसे वाली काली सोनी हाथ चढ़ी है सब माता ने और बड़े के गुड़े के हाथ में बैग चोरे के नाल माता ने यो टाटा करे सुने बता हाथ में लगे माता ने यो इसको लगा दे यहाँ पे सब चंदन लगा ले तो पहले
It's equipment time now. Everyone must wear snow boots, all the day to get accustomed to them. The team is highly technical and thorough in understanding the details of every single piece of equipment.
He is walking like a robot after wearing coplas.
नेक्स्ट डे एंड प्रिपरेशन डे फॉर द समिट। ठीक है, समिट के लिए अब जो हमारा अभी तक का था, इट वाज अ नॉर्मल ट्रैक द वंस वी आर डूइंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट 3 days. After camp 1 and summit camp, we will be using these equipments. But the shoes that you are wearing right now is called GoFlats. ठीक है, ये होते हैं आपके माउंटेनियरिंग बूट्स। ऑलराइट, वाटर प्रूफ है, वाटर रेजिस्टेंस है, बिकॉज दे हैव प्लास्टिक बॉडी। इसके अंदर आपकी एक वार्म लेयर है जो आपके शूज़ को वार्म रखती है। उसके अंदर आपने अपने सॉक्स पहन के रखने। ठीक है, इसके साथ अटैच होता है आपका क्रैम्पॉन, स्नो स्टिक और स्नो पोल। The lead climber, the Sherpa climber who will be climbing, he uses this to fix the rope. And then he will be setting up the snow stick deep inside the snow. इसके फिर हम अटैच करेंगे अपनी मेन रोप जो क्लाइंबिंग रोप होती है। The climbing rope goes all the way till the last man. इस टेप स्लिंग से we have to attach this and the carabiner, so this will be a main anchor. Got it? सेकेंड एंकर आपका बनेगा अपनी आइसैक्स के साथ। ये आपकी आइसैक्स होती है, तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं टू क्लाइंबिंग एंड टू ऑल्सो अरेस्ट योर फॉल। टेप स्लिंग, कैराबाइनर, आइसैक्स, क्रैम्पॉन्स, गोफ्लाच एंड योर हेलमेट। ये आपका मेन इक्विपमेंट होगा क्लाइंबिंग का।
आगे झुकने की कोशिश करोगे फिर भी नहीं हो पाएगा। फिर ऐसे में आप जितना बैठ सकते हैं कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी आप। ठीक है, तो इसके चलने के तरीके क्या होते हैं, सिंपल होता है। अभी क्या होता है, इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है मिट्टी रॉक में, इससे बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है। इसका एकदम सिंपल रहता क्योंकि आपको पता है कितना भारी वेट है इसका। तो इसमें नंबर 1 इसको चलने की जरूरत लगे, स्लो प्यार से डालना है इसे प्यार, क्योंकि इसके नीचे अगर पत्थर आएगा तो इसका आपका डिसबैलेंस बना सकता है। तो इसलिए इसका बिल्कुल ध्यान देना। पहले आपको अपना पैर प्रॉपर जमाना, फिर जाके नेक्स्ट पैर आपको आगे लेना। क्लाइंब करते हो, अब कभी कभी क्या होता है, जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है ना सामने माउंटेन, तो सोच लो सिंपल, अभी सोच लो इस पर पूरा रॉक पत्थर नहीं है, अभी सोच लो इसमें पूरा बर्फ है। तो इसके नीचे आपके क्रैम्पॉन लगे होंगे, तो इसका सिंपल रहता है ये, तो ऐसे सिंपल बॉडी पुश ऐसे बीच में होना चाहिए, पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए। समझ रहे ना आप? ऐसे ये सिंपल। ये अब जब आप उतरते नीचे डाउन, तो इसका सिंपल क्या रहता है, सेम प्रोसेस ऐसे प्रोसेस सेम पीछे से आना, बॉडी ऊपर आज पुश रहेगा, हाथ में एक्सेक्स होगा, उसको मारना, फिर डाउन नीचे तक आप अभी इधर उधर जहाँ तक भी जा सकते हो। आज के दिन आपके पास कमर रेस्ट नहीं है, आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस एकदम अच्छे से करना है कोप्लास के अंदर। जैसे कि आपको सबको पता है कि हमने आते आते एक बेस तैयार किया और अभी करेंगे हम मतलब पूरा क्लाइंब। कभी कभी क्या होता है माउंटेन में, जब कभी कभी 360 एंगल होता है या कहीं पे रॉक होती है, कहीं कुछ भी हो सकता है, ज़्यादा बर्फ़ होती है, तो वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं हम जुमार का सहारा लेते हैं चढ़ने के लिए। होता है ना, जैसे कि मान लो जुमार हो गया पुश, और पीछे अगर गलती से आप थक जाते हो तो इसके हाथ छोड़ सकते हो। ओके, मतलब अभी आपको पीछे आने नहीं देगा, आप ऐसे रेस्ट कर सकते हो और देन फिर से चलते हो। ऐसे ये होता है, ये जैसे कि ये जुमार को छोड़ना नहीं है, ऐसे होता है एक एंगल, फिर ऐसे पहले ऐसे नहीं रखना क्योंकि डिसबैलेंस हो जाएगा। अगर ऐसे हो जाएंगे आप, समझ रहे ना जी? तो कभी भी इसके पैर ऐसे एंगल होना चाहिए आपके बीच में। दिख रहा पहले एक पैर राइट लेफ्ट, बॉडी वेट सीधा पीछे होना चाहिए। कुछ ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, रोप को ऐसे करते हैं, जोर मारा, एंकर से लगभग ये आधा फीट 1 फीट पीछे होना चाहिए जुमार। समझ गए? फिर क्या हो गया, आप यहाँ पहुँच गए, फिर इसके आगे एक आपका ये सेट, जुमार को कुछ नहीं करना, फिर आप एक ये होल होता है क्रेबिनर, इसको थोड़ा स्क्रू को थोड़ा ढीला करना है, घुमाना है इसको, फिर उसको पुश ऐसे करना। क्या होता, इसके ऊपर डालना है इसको, समझ गए। कभी गलती से आपने जुमार को ये कर दिया और आपका अपने सेफ्टी ने सीधा पीछे से डिसेंट कर दिया। जुमार निकाला, मेरा सेफ्टी हो गया ना, लो अब अभी भी छोड़ सकता हूँ, पर ये रोप छोड़ना नहीं है, समझ रहे। फिर जाके जल्दी ऐसे इसको पेस्ट कर दिया और इसको थोड़ा इसके ऊपर डाल दिया, समझ रहे। फिर उसके बाद आप हाथ छोड़ सकते हो। अब जाओगे और फिर से पुश करो, ये गुड, और आई करो, इसको छोड़ो, हाथ फिर से करो, राइट से तरफ को ये शेप बनाओ। हाँ, ये रोप छोड़ दो पूरा, हाँ गुड, ड्रॉप छोड़ दो, बॉडी वेट पीछे नहीं आएगा, हो रहा है कुछ नहीं होगा। अब आगे जाओ, फिर भी आपने पैर थोड़ा नीचे रहने चाहिए थे आप। हाँ गुड, फिर से पकड़ो, जुमार वैसे जैसे था।
Today is quite a useful day. For the first time I have done rappelling, and for the first time I have used this boots. An entire day we have to use because we will be used to tying and untying. Now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we had our lunch. We will be sleeping for a while, rest for a while, and then again we will keep practicing walking with this. This has 2 layers, one inside layer and one outer shell. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather is getting bad. Sometimes it is too cold, sometimes it is too hot, and sometimes it is too windy. So the vomiting sensation and the headache were gone. High heavy head is gone. Today I've started developing the heavy chest, and I feel huge load on my chest.
The weather in mountain is unpredictable. It was all fine until evening, then suddenly a sandstorm hit.
Oh, Black Peak, please let me conquer you. I really need this to be done. Please, just allow me one time.
I have provided link for part 2 video in the description below. Please continue watching for further details of the Black Peak Summit 2024.